Hey guys, I haven't been filming ever before, but this is my first time filming on YouTube, so go hit up on my channel. My channel's name is Tanks versus Tanks, RC Tanks, or whatever you want to type in. That's probably going to be none of me. So give me some likes, subscribe. I'll count to 5, and then yeah, if you've liked in 5 minutes, you get a free 5 free games, whichever game you want. I don't care. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit that like button. So yeah. I've never really filmed before. So yeah. So if you've ever filmed before, I'm just walking in my front yard. That's my aunt's house. I haven't been coming over here every day most of the time. I should be, but I haven't filmed before, so yeah, I would love for some likes. So whenever I let this video get posted out, I'll start giving y'all free things, and I'll sometimes give out 5 free games, 3, whatever I say goes along. So okay, I'll see y'all in a minute, I guess. So yeah, I've been going into the woods, seeing some strange things, like the woods right there. So I haven't ever posted my video before. I've been walking around in the woods, seeing some strange thing. First, I gotta get me some body armor on, so I'll see you whenever I get done with. I just got back from putting some body armor on. I'm outside with my dogs. So, as you can see, I haven't been doing much. I'm a little bit out here. I've mostly been inside playing my Xbox or watching YouTube. So, yeah. I'm just walking around my house. A year ago that happened. Our internet started messing up because of my domain. Oh, she's not dumb. She's always being dumb and not for internet. So she got messed up in there like a week. No. Or a month later. The first week wasn't doing so good, so I brought my own Xbox, brought everything that was with my Xbox. So I just came out here because was sucky. So I will see y'all next. Oh, and also hit that like button. Give me some subscribes. I will see you next time.